Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your TikTok username. So let's get started. Now this is our TikTok. Now the first thing I want you to know is that when you want to change your username, you need to know one thing. You are able to change your username around or minimum of a month. Once you change it now, you will not be able to change it after a month. So let's get started. And the first thing you're going to do is click on this your profile. When you click on your profile, you can say this is here. And then say edit profile. Here, just click on edit profile. And here you can change your username. You can say you click on your username, and this is it. You can see this. The username can contain only letters or numbers, underscores, and period. Now, changing your username will also change your profile link. So, if you have sent your profile link to someone before, once you change your username, it's going to affect your link. It may not work again. So, you need to do just need to copy your link and now send it anywhere you want to send it. So, it's very easy. What you need to do is just create a home here and change it to another thing that you want. So I'm gonna choose another username now. Let me say, okay, I'm gonna choose this. Now there's another thing you need to know is the for your username, when you're changing your username, there's some username that are already choosing, and the TikTok is going to tell you once the username is available. So yeah, I'm gonna choose this thing. I'm just gonna put some numbers there, like 1192, and let's see, sorry, let's see if this is available, because it is not also available. So I'm gonna choose another one. Now I'm gonna put just make sure you continue putting the name, the username suggested, and it's okay. Now I'm gonna use let's see, okay, let me put another thing there, 120108. But this is too long. You can see it is marked, that means this is available. So I'm gonna choose save. I'm gonna just save here. Let me click on save, and you see them. You can see you set your username. Your username once every 30 days. So once I set it now, I will not be able to reset my username for the next a month, which is a 30 days interval. So guys, you can see it has changed. You can see I just want to copy it here. So it's very easy. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share, and drop a comment. Thank you.